Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection you see the ideas of Easter festival, Easter decoration for your home. So please don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. And this collection Easter decoration 2023. These things are so precious, so fantastic, looking so beautiful. Thank you, keep watching and stay with me. You know Easter festival is compulsory. Guys, you are interested in this type of videos, like, share and comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, keep watching and stay with me. Thank you.